Good morning, YouTube. Good afternoon. Good evening. Dobre utro. Dobry dzień. Dobry wieczór. Buenos dias. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Guten Tag. Guten Morgen. Guten Nacht. We get. How are you guys doing? ¿Cómo están todos? Good times. Trading time. Stock market time. Time to make some flipping green papers in the stock market. Hell yeah. How's everybody doing? About to switch this to the stock market screen. There we go. Okay, it looks like the market kind of sort of halfway, a little bit recovered. So the portfolio bounced back a tiny bit. Not much, but a tiny bit. So yeah, it's for right now it's up $1,836, 5.34%, which is not too bad. Let's see here now. What's everything doing? What's crypto doing? What's everything doing? Hey there, Shabbat Shalom. Good stuff, good stuff. Hell yeah. Hopefully everybody's doing okay. Looks like market is recovering. Kind of looking at the yesterday's live stream, I kind of figured that it would do that because looking at the gold, the cryptos, kind of was a prediction that the market's going to go up, and it kind of did, which is kind of nice. But let me see. Let me look at crypto right now. Let me look at Bitcoin. See what Bitcoin's up to. Yeah, Bitcoin made quite a bit of a jump. Quite a good jump. Keeps on kind of trying to keep on climbing. That's awesome. That's good. Okay. Let's see here. Maybe I should see. No, probably not add to the Bitcoin. Let's check on the flipping. I think I collected some profits on this one earlier today, the Cyber Kitties. That was pretty cool. I collected a tiny bit of profits on this one, so see, then I bought $1 back and it turned it into 98 cents. So I want to see if I should get some more of that one. Probably. Should I feed the Cyber Kitties? Let's see what it says. Should I feed the Cyber Kitties in the Cyber Puppy world? Oh man, it didn't want me to feed it. Okay, I'll go ask for the Shiba Inu puppy, see if it wants me to feed that one. Okay, that's that on this thingy. I guess I'll go to the flipping. It doesn't want me to feed that one. Okay, let's try Shiba Inu, see if that one wants to be fed. And I think, yeah, that one's doing okay. It went up quite a bit, like so. Okay, should I feed the Cyber Puppy, the Shiba Inu? So should I get some of that? Let's see what it says. Dude, it really doesn't care about the cyber critters. It doesn't want me to feed him. It's like weird. Why the hell is it doing that? Yeah. I guess them cyber critters be kind of hungry. They be fasting a little bit. Kind of is what it is. Kind of sucks, but oh well. Maybe they gotta starve a tiny bit longer. Okay, so I can't feed that one. Let's see. Maybe it'll let me feed the Cyber Puppy Dogecoin thingy. Should I feed the Cyber Puppy Dogecoin thingy? Should I get some of that? Let's see what it says. Oh, weird. For that one, it said yes. That's weird. Okay, I guess I could toss that one a couple bones. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty there. Yeah. I guess it told me to feed that one. I'll toss it a couple bones. I guess it is what it is. It's worth it. Sort of halfway. It's better than nothing. Alrighty. That one's fed. Fed up like crazy. Let's check XRP. Oh, I sold this one at a profit earlier today, and it kept on going up. Wow, it's not doing too bad. Maybe I could sell it all and see what it does. Yes, look, if I sell all of this, I'll make a penny. I'll be 1 penny richer. Hell yeah. I collected the penny profit on the flipping XRP crypto thing. good stuff like crazy. And then I'll buy $1 back of it if it'll let me. It's taking a while. Oh yeah, it's so weird. It's like crazy how weird. Yeah, so I collected a penny, so I took some profit, bought $1 back, and now let's see. I'm gonna ask if I should get some more of that one. Should I get some more flipping XRP? Let's see what the crystal ball paper will say about that one. It said no. It doesn't want me to get some more of that one. Okay, okay. Flipping A. Okay. I guess no on that one for now. Well, at least I got $1 back of it after I bought it, which is cool. Okay, that's all good. Hell yeah. Okay, Ania Heverotka. Shalom. Aleph Bet Gimel Dalef. Let's see here. Let me see. By Mudang, is that a crypto? Thoughts on UPS? Hey, hey there. Let me see. Okay, UPS. Let's see. UPS. See what that thing's up to. Okay, today it's down 1.16. Overnight up 0.19. Week down 1%. Week up 5.86%. 3 months it's up. Year to date it's up. Now it's up. I'm assuming it should be doing okay right now. Like not financial advice, obviously, or anything like that, but like just logically thinking, because it's the holidays coming up, a lot of people will be shipping Christmas presents and a whole bunch of stuff like that. Like I should be picking up for the sort of a long term type deal, I'm guessing. But looking at this thingy, it's hard to tell exactly, you know? Ask the paper? Okay, I could ask the paper for sure. Let's ask the paper. Is it worth it to get some UPS right now? Let's see. Is it worth it to get some UPS? Wow, it said yes, but in a weird way. It's like indecisive. What the hell? Wow. It said yes, it was barely holding on, and then it landed again, and it said yes again. See? So the paper flipping said yes. In a weird way, but it said yes. That was so weird. The way it like fell and landed, that's crazy. By Mudang? Okay, Mudang, let's check it out. But yeah, for the UPS, the paper said yes, and kind of logically thinking like holidays coming up, people will be shipping a whole bunch of gifts around. So I'm pretty sure they'll be staying pretty busy and making quite a bit of profit. Okay, Cyber Moodang. Okay, whatever that is. I wonder what critter is that. Moo, probably a cyber cow because it has the word moo in it. It's like cyber cow, and then it's like a cyber moo, and then dang type deal. I think it's something like that. But yeah. Okay, so today's up quite a bit. And looks like momentum's kind of building up on that thingy. That thing's kind of a new thing too, but you know, it doesn't matter. I could ask the paper, should I get some flippin' cyber cowabunga? Should I get that? Should I get the cyber cowabunga here? Let's see. So it doesn't want me to get the cyber cowabunga. I guess I could put it on my watch list, maybe ask if I should get it later. Just because I think it knows better, just because it already went up so high like crazy, you know? It went up so high that it's like, nope, wait. Once it dips, then it wants me to buy it. I think that's what it's thinking. So since I can't get it, it said no, but I'll add it to my crypto watch because I think that might be a kind of decent like meme coin to like make some easy profits on later. You know, once the paper will let me, then do it. You know, but at the moment, I'll add it to my crypto watch. There we go. That's awesome. Okay. Let's see. Ask the paper if it thinks Oracle is a good buy. Okay, let's see. Let's check that one out. ORCL. Okay, let's see. Is Oracle a buy right now? Let's see what it says. Is Oracle a buy right now? Well, lambs are kind of weird. It said yes, but it's kind of like chilling there sideways a little bit in a weird way. But it said yes. It's kind of didn't lay flat, but it was on a yes. So the thingy said yes. The paper said yes. Yeah. Pretty crazy stuff. Pretty cool stuff. It said actually yes on that thingy. So let's see. Oracle. It said yes, but I'll look at the chart. Obviously, it dipped here quite a bit recently, but if it dipped, could mean it's like a better opportunity to at least dollar cost average. But let's see what the analysts are saying about this one. So 71.1 say buy, 24.5 say hold, and 4.4 say sell. Actually, the ratings are not too bad, you know. Once the market fully recovers, it should be a lot better, you know. The healthcare sector is doing really well the past couple of months. Oh, nice, nice. XLV. Let's see. XLV. Oh, that one's a health type deal. Healthcare. Healthcare select sector. Okay. So it's up today, 0.41. Overnight up 0.23. 1 week it's up 2% plus. 1 week 6.97. So it looks like in general it's kind of trending up, so it looks pretty decent. I could add it to the watch list. Let's see. Top stocks to trade. Let's see what the analysts are saying about this one, if it has that. Okay, this one looks like it doesn't have the analyst thoughts, but XLV tracks healthcare stocks from within the S&P 500 index weighted by market cap. Listed name XLV Healthcare Selected Sector SPDR Fund. Okay, I see. It's like a ETF type deal that follows the healthcare. That's pretty cool. Why trust public analysts though? There's always a string attached. Oh yes, for sure. I just sometimes like I like to see what they think. Sometimes I don't go by what they think, but sometimes just, it's good to see what if there is one, see what they think. You know. But I don't go off of their stuff. Usually, sometimes they think something's kind of negative, and I like it, I buy it, and it does good. You know, like still sometimes interesting to know what like the other side thinks. Try to chill out. You don't have to be so angry. Who's angry? I don't get it. Who's angry? Um, I don't get by like who is angry over here? Hey there. Okay, let's see. So this one looks pretty decent. Looks bullish. Let me see. Does this have like a dividend? Yeah, it has a dividend, 30-day yield. That's not too bad. I want to ask the paper, like, should I get some XLV? See what it says. Should I get some flipping XLV? It said yes. So it likes the XLV, so I think it should be doing okay. I think it knows it. I think it knows what's right, which direction it's headed. So I think that's a good buying opportunity. The paper knows it. Paper's totally sort of flipping halfway, more than halfway knows it. Sort of halfway, you know. So I think that's pretty decent. Hi there, everyone. Snake oil salesman. XLU. Snake's oil salesman. Okay, I guess I could get some of this one. It said I could, so might as well maybe put like $10 into this. Start dollar cost averaging into this. Hell yeah. Let's see now, since I got that thingy, now I'll go to the next one. think the market will crash. What am I looking at? I love how you. I love how you utilize the paper. That's funny. Add it again. Oh man, funny. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. Oh man. Oh yeah, I gotta ask if I should feed the pudgy cyber penguins. You know, like I gotta ask that. I already collected profits from that thingy multiple times. Should I feed the pudgy cyber penguins? Let's see what it flippin' says. Let's see what it flipping says. Yes, it knows them damn penguins are hungry like crazy. Yes, I get to feed the penguins. The flippin' lucky penguins, unfeathered plucking birds. I get to feed him like crazy hell. Hell yeah. Enter midstream, is that good stock? I'm not sure. I know, right? Penguin stuff. Time to feed the penguins. Mwahaha. Let's see. Maybe just in case, I'll throw with 3 bones. You know, they could fight over the bones that they eat. So I think that's fine. It doesn't say how much penguins are linked in this one, but like multiples. It says pudgy penguins, so them be fighting over the food like crazy. I think it is what it is. The strongest will survive in that one, so it's all good. I am Chianti. I make prediction on stock market. U.S. economy, sincerely, Chianti. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, Solana. I think, yeah, I took profits on this thing earlier today too while I was working. So, but I'm not sure if because it's already up 6 point something percent. Like, I could ask the paper if it's worth a buy or not. Should I get some more Solana? Let me see if I should or not. Should I get some flipping Solana? Okay, I think it knows better on that one because it's up quite a bit for now. It wants me to flip and wait. It wants me to hella wait like crazy, sort of halfway. Excuse me. Okay, so it doesn't want me to get that one. Let's see. Doge, I already fed that one. Ethereum, I think I gotta ask about the Ethereum because I didn't do that one yet. Actually, I gotta change my flipping earbud. It's like fully dead. My flipping earbud is dead like crazy. How about the Mudang? I think I asked about it. It didn't let me get it this time. I'll probably ask tomorrow. I think possibly you'll let me do that for tomorrow. We'll see. But I think that one's pretty decent. I did add it to my flipping watch list. The Mudang thingy, top stocks to trade. So I gotta change my earbud real quick here. Yeah, it likes the penguins. Nvidia dump. Hey there, Maslow. How you doing, Maslow? Good to see you here. Okay, let's check. I'm gonna throw this thingy for the Ethereum. Should I get a tiny bit of Ethereum? See what it says. Should I get some Ethereum? Yes, it wants me to get some Ethereum. I think it knows it might start trending up possibly. Okay, let's add some to the Ethereum. Hell yeah, it likes it, the flipping Ethereum stuff. Probably throw it like maybe 3 bones just for now. I think it'll be fine. 3 little stakes to the Ethereum. Okay. Relax, guys. The market will be dumping. Plague check. Oh, check the plague. Let's see what's plague up to. So plague, it's up 30.26% today. After hours, it's down 9.34%. Um, in love with the paper. That's funny. But yeah, the Plag thing is down. I have 5 shares of it here, but see, it's up today, but it's not up enough to be in a profit. I'm still like down 23.67%. So I don't have too much in it. Let's see. It will be flying for real. So you think it's worth it to add to the Plag thingy? I want to ask the paper, is it worth it to buy the Plag? The Planet Green Holding. Is it worth it to buy the Planet Green Holding? Let's see what the paper says. The paper, the flipping paper said yes. Yeah. Yeah. It likes it. It likes the Plag thing, so I guess I could get a tiny bit of that one. I guess it kind of sort of halfway likes it a little bit. Yep, for sure, for sure. Thanks for all the tips there, KNT. As overall market will dump because of the VIX. Oh, I see. So we could get like more potentially get more like gold and silver if the market's gonna dump or tank some more. I guess, right? I see Planet Green holding, so I'll probably get maybe a tiny bit of that. Maybe $5. Oh, this one makes me buying shares. Okay, so I'll change it into shares. Okay, let's see, buying shares and get like, let's see, 2 shares, close to $5. I think it's better than nothing. Do that with that. TLPH is up good. Nice, nice. Paper is smarter than AI. I know, right? Might have slightly better odds with the paper, possibly. I mean, regardless, like my portfolio was down, like a lot more down yesterday. Today it bounced up a little bit, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. It bounced a little bit today. Let's see. TLPH. Let's see TLPH. Oh, I don't have any of mine. I think I sold all of mine earlier. Let me see, where does it say the profit and loss? Over here, TLPH market sell. Right there, the deals I made with the TLPH. So I sold out of that one. I'm gonna ask the paper if it's worth it to get some more of that thingy. Let's see. Yes, you sold. Damn. Yes. Is that a good thing that I sold? Should I buy some more? Also, when did you get in on TLPH and any news that's driving it up? So PLTR and Tesla put will go back in the money, hopefully. Mr. Grunlick. Let me see. I'm gonna ask the paper. Should I get some more of the TLPH? Should I get some more of the flipping TLPH? It said yes. It fell on the flipping yes, but like sort of halfway sideways. But it's a yes. So it's like sort of the paper's being kind of sort of halfway indecisive, but it still said yes a little bit. So I think it's all good on that one. I could add a tiny bit of the TLPH thingy. Learn about the company, read the chart 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 6 month, year to date, 1 year, 5 year, what their lowest and highest on each 9 on the charts and Chile. Gap at 343. Yes, what's your expiration? I didn't get any puts today. Check NVIDIA. Okay, the paper said I could buy some of this, so I'll probably buy the minimal amount for now. Maybe not the minimal, maybe like $3. Get like $3 worth. Actually, I think I bought it in shares, but it's fine because it's cheap anyways. Buy. Yeah, it's in shares. Instead of dollars, I bought it in shares, but that's fine because it's pretty cheap anyways. So let's check NVIDIA. NVDA. So it's up. It was up today a little bit, then it went down after overnight. But I do still have the Nvidia call that I got a long time ago. I'm currently down on it, obviously, but I didn't get any puts or anything like that on that one. It will dump to it will dump to 167. So you think short term it would be nice to get like a put on that thingy potentially, right? 167 below. Oh wow, that's crazy. Oh wow, Tesla's 160.26, Tesla 360. Nice, nice. I'll take a screenshot of this thingy just in case. And I'll look at it when the market's gonna be open. Okay, so yeah, I got like I might maybe potentially get a put, buy a put for this one to hedge this call that I got, but I'll see. Maybe, maybe not. I'll see what I'll do tomorrow. If you have puts on Tesla, don't sell. No, I don't have puts on Tesla. Let's see, TESLA. Tesla right here. I only got like the 567 shares on this one, so I don't have much in it. So like potentially I could probably sell all of that, huh? Oh man. I didn't get any puts at all, like zero puts. I just kind of sold out of some stuff that I had actually. And then I've got the TSLL. Yeah, I recently sold out of the TSLL and I got the cash secured put, which is the TSLL right here. So I got that one. It's currently down, but not too much, not too bad. Let's see. So I'll probably wait on adding to that one later. Any LMT or BA. I don't think I have any BA Boeing or whatever there's LMT. Let me see. Oops. LMT. So I have under a dollar worth of this thingy. So eventually I bought a dollar. It went down. I bought SOXS today. Then the Federal Reserve announced they are ending quantitative lightening on December 1st. Oh wow. So is that a good thing or a bad thing? Announced that they are ending quantitative tightening on December 1st. Oh, that means they might like reduce rates, cut rates or something. Maybe it's linked with that one. What do you think? Short? What do you think? Short or buy? Patience is. Oh yeah, patience is so key for sure. Definitely, definitely, definitely. What do you think, short or buy? Which one are you talking about? The short or buy? Is that for the SOXS or is that for something else? Let's see, SOXS, XS. Oops, SOXS. So directionally daily semiconductor bear 3x shares. Oh, okay, that's too short that thingy. Yeah, I don't know. I probably wouldn't mess around with this one. The one that shorts it. I could probably add it to my watch list. Let's see, top stocks to trade, and then I'll probably just not do anything with that one. Do you do weekly contracts on SPY, or do I do weekly contracts on SPY? I don't. Sometimes I do like credit spreads on SPY, like daily ones, but like I don't trade SPY too often, so that's what I do on mine. Bullish should bring more liquidity to crypto and stocks, and if they lower rates, markets could bull run. Oh yes, yes, for sure. Yeah, from what I heard, like they actually might still do the rate cut. The Fed might actually do the rate cut. They might cut like another 0.25 in December. Not 100% guarantee from what I heard right now. They brought it up to like 75 chance that they might do that. The screen flip, the same chart comes out. Move the page down a little. Now you see all the days on the left and all the traded volumes on the right. Let's see the screen flip. Oh, the screen flip. Let's see. Oh, if I flip the screen like this. But thing is, if I'll flip the screen like this, and then the recording probably won't be that great. I mean, I could still look at the chart. I could still go like this, even if it's like vertical. I could still look at it. But like if I'm not doing the live stream, sometimes I could like go to like the other charts and look at stuff better if I need to. But for the live stream, I don't want to kind of shift around the screen too much because it's not going to be fitting the screen that great. TSSS, let's see what this is. There's like a random thing I clicked on. TSS, INC engaged in the provision of comprehensive service for the planning, design, development, and maintenance of mission critical facilities and information infrastructure. Oh, that's one of the ones I got actually. It's down. It's down 53%, but I don't have much. I bought $1 worth of it and it kind of fell. But looks like it might be going up a tiny bit. I don't know. Who knows? What do you think of BURU? Let's see. BURU. Well, it's like a penny stock right there. So cheap. Especially for the long term, I don't like these type of things. But, they're just way, way too risky. Like, I personally wouldn't trade it. Like I could flip the paper on that one. I do have it on my watch list. I think I read about it before a little bit. Uh, I could flip the paper on it and see what it says. But regardless of what it says, I'm still not gonna buy it. But I could still flip the paper on it. Let's see. Is a BURU a buy? Let's see what it says. I'm not gonna buy it even if it's a yes or a no. But let's see what it says. Oh, even the paper said no. I said I wouldn't buy it. Even the paper fell on no. So like it knows better. The paper's kind of sort of halfway smart. Yeah. Awesome. Hella nice. To check a company income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, go to Google, type in company stocks, and hit enter. For example, Apple company stocks is showing. Or just Edgar. Okay, so the paper doesn't like that one for some reason. I want to see what Walmart's doing. Let's see what Walmart's doing. So Walmart's 104.19. No, BURU has to get above 25 cents. I held that before. Oh, I see. Let me see. Oops, what did I do? Let's see. Hey there, Diesel. Did you saw your Walmart call? Because remember you said you got the Walmart call. I've never got into it. I wanted to, but like, maybe eventually I will. But like, if I got into what I was saying, I would have been profitable on that thing if I never got into that one. But this one's a pretty decent buy. But I'll definitely wait for it to go lower on that one. Sucks that I didn't get in. I wanted to get in at 100. Sometimes I had the pending orders that didn't go through because I tried to get a cheaper price and didn't fill. I've been eyeing Walmart to grab another call if it drops. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, like I don't know if it's gonna drop like lower. I think eventually it should, but like if it does dip to 100 or slightly below, like for sure it's gonna bounce back up to these high levels here. But like if you could grab it at a dip, that'd be nice. So yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye out on that one. I'll try to get that one. How do you not? Cheesecake Factory is a great dividend paying stock. Cheesecake Factory, nice. Let's check the cheesecake. Hey, bro, yeah, I sold it and made good money, but if I held another 3 hours, it would have been really, really good. Oh, nice, nice. That's awesome, Diesel. That's awesome. I mean, you did the right thing. I probably would have sold in your situation too. Now we have a new page and the company chart comes out. Oh, what about puts on Palantir? How are you doing? Hey there, Cool Fusion. Uh, I'm doing good. How you doing, man? Let's see. Cheesecake Factory. Let's check out Cheesecake Factory. Cheesecake Factory. So it's down for the day 0.90. Overnight it's up 0.47. For the week it's down. For the month it's down. For the past 3 months it's down. Year to date is down. 1 year is down. 5 years it's up, and then max it's up quite a bit. But looks like it's decent. But like, let me see. I don't even have it on the watch list, so I'll add it to my top stocks to trade. And right now, so I added to my top watch list, and now I'm gonna ask the paper, is it worth it to start dollar cost averaging into the Cheesecake Factory? Let's see what the flipping paper says. The paper said no. I think the paper knows some secrets about it. It knows some crazy secrets about that Cheesecake Factory. I think it might keep on dipping for a while before it decides to go up. I think that's what the paper thinks. Let's see. So the paper thinks it's too risky. Let's see what the paper's sidekick thinks.
I think it's too risky too. I wouldn't buy that one right now.
So the paper sidekick thinks it's not a buy too. So that kind of is what it is on that thing. Ask the paper for a second opinion. I could do that. Let's see. Is Cheesecake Factory a buy? Let's see. Second attempt. Let's see what the papers say second time. This time it's being indecisive. Look how it landed. It landed sideways. See, it's slightly more on the yes side, but it's like landed sideways. So that means I gotta rethrow. uh, so this time it was kind of indecisive. I don't know if I should throw it again or not. Oh, that's awesome, there, Cool Fusion. That's pretty cool. The paper has a mind of its own, I tell you. Yeah, I know it does, for sure. It's like crazy, like what the paper does. Man. Yeah, my paper over here says you should ask it again. Okay, let's ask the paper again then, right? Let's see what it says. Let's ask the flipping paper again. Is it worth it to buy Cheesecake Factory? So the first one was a yes. I mean, the first one was a no. The second one was a maybe because it was sideways. The third one, dude, it flew inside the flipping. What? This time it landed sideways too. See, it's like landed sideways in the closet. I don't know how it got in there. So it was sideways. It was indecisive. It was like sitting like this sideways. Like. So two times it was indecisive about this one. I don't know why it's being so like indecisive about the Cheesecake Factory. Oh, I know. It doesn't want to get fat. It doesn't want to eat cheesecakes. That's it. So it's like either no or I don't know. It's like doesn't know what to do. It's smart. It doesn't want to gain weight. Oh, man. Can you ban the bot KNT in the chat, please? Okay, I'll try to do that right now. Let's see, where's the flipping KNT? I'll do that right now. Let's see. Put user in timeout. Okay, I tried to I put the bot on timeout, so I think it should be fine right now. Into the abyss cake. It wants to remain paper thin. Yeah, it does. Paper flipping knows better. That's funny. Maybe I should ask it again. Like, is it worth it to buy Cheesecake Factory? Come on, it said no, no once. It was indecisive twice. Let's see what it says. It finally changed its mind. It said yes. So I guess I gotta throw it the final time because it's a no, it's a maybe twice, and it's a yes. Okay, let's see what the deal breaker will be. Yes or no. And the final one is no. It's kind of very, very indecisive about that one, but the final one was no, so it breaks the draw. Oh man. Yeah, you're welcome. LOL. Recommend anyone get into BMNR before crypto rallies again because once it does, you won't even have a chance to buy unless you average in. Oh wow. Let's see. I think I've got some of the BMNR. Let's check BMNR. I might just have to start dollar cost averaging some more in it because see, I got $172 worth and like actually it's down quite a bit from what I got. But let me see. I could ask the paper: is it worth to start dollar cost averaging into the BMNR? Let's see what it thinks about that one. The flipping paper said yes, that it's worth it to start dollar cost averaging into the BMNR. It fell on the yes. I guess I could add a tiny bit to that one. Dollar cost averaging means adding a little bit at a time, not blowing the whole money on it, not blowing the whole wallet on it. What about Meta? The paper knows as. I know, right? Yeah, the paper flipping knows for sure. It told you no the other right now. It says yes while it's up 10%. I know, right? Maybe because the trend finally started to go on the upside, then like, yes, let's keep it up. I don't know. The paper said yes, so I could probably add like maybe $3. That's a lucky number. It's not bad, not that bad. So do that. Flipping dollar cost averaging DCA, right? Flipping DCAing like crazy. DCA like crazy hell. Paper's champ, I know, right? uh, Man, the paper's pretty beat up. Eventually, I gotta like retire this one and write me a new paper. That one, the one that's a tiny bit more flat. But this one's like This one's kind of proven itself. It's like keeps on being kind of accurate. So maybe I might let it stick around for a little bit longer. The paper has character for sure, right? Definitely. Oh man, crazy stuff, man, crazy stuff. Let's see. Let's see which. Yeah, so I was able to like get some more buying power. I got rid of some extra stuff that I had. Not much, but some stuff. TSL put, nothing too special. I want to see what SoFi is doing. SoFi actually bounced up quite a bit. Like just today, went up 8.63%. But I was down quite a bit on it. Like so for today, just on SoFi alone, it's up $481. But total return is still kind of down on it. The paper, let's see, TT. The paper reminds me of the 1980s movie Short Circuit where the bot came alive. Wow, that's funny. Johnny Five is alive. That's funny. So the ITT, let's see what the ITT thing is. ITT $180. I'm not even sure what that company's about. Let's see. It looks pretty bullish. It has a small dividend, which is nice. But it has a evil analytics rating. Analyst rating is like 666. You know that might mean something kind of sort of halfway evil. You know, but I don't know. It's weird. I thought I blocked the KNT thing. It's a different KNT popping up. It's kind of weird. Let me see. So I should ask the paper if it's worth it to buy this. So I'll add it to the watch list. Let's see if the paper is sort of halfway evil or not. If it's gonna like this company because it has an evil analyst rating on it. Be an educated investors in Silicon KNT. Okay, so is it worth it to get some of the ITT? Let's see what it says. Let's see what it flipping says. Oh, it looks like he likes the ITT thingy. It said yes on that. Flipping landed on yes like crazy on that thingy. Hell yeah. It flipping likes it. Although it has like a. Although it sort of has like a flipping halfway evil number there, 666, but I don't care. It's like 666 right there and 666 right there, you know? It's like, what the hell? And like, and it's kind of following. Oh, that's a good one. Look, it knows better. It has an evil number, but at the same time, it has a flipping 6-7. That's the flipping trend. 6-7. The trend is following the trend. You know how they say you got to follow the trend in the stock market? This flipping thing is following the trend, and the paper knows it. Although it has an evil number, but it's following the trend, so you know you got to follow the money. So I guess I got to get some of that one. But maybe the paper sort of kind of halfway evil. I don't know, but it said to get some of this, so I guess I gotta get some of this. The paper's champ has spoken. I know, right? For sure. Oh man, that's funny. Show all time performance, double DOS. I could show you the performance. Not the greatest at the moment because the market dipped. So right now it bounced up 1,825. But in general, I'm down because the recent dip. But still, it's not at a loss in general. That's because I didn't sell at a loss. So it's bouncing back up, you know. So it's a good thing on that part. And let's see here. And then the take-home profits. Right now, it's not the greatest because I've been extremely busy at work, so I'm not able to do much trading. So for the week, it's down because I had to get rid of some crappy trades that I had, like crappy options. But for the month, right now, it's up 1,632. All these trades equal up to that. Let's see, whatever that is. 3 months, 5,669. That's take-home profits, realized profit and loss. Year to date, I pretty much started trading here since April, so pretty much since April till right now, 7,322. And then the max is obviously it's a little bit less because I had it for a long time, but I never really did much with it. But yeah, for the 1 month at least, it's 1,632. But anyways, that's like my side hustle type stuff, like hobby type thing that I do apart from work. So yeah, that's kind of like it is what it is. Well, it looks like the market at least trying to bounce back up a little bit. Tell the paper series said scissors beats paper. Scissors beats paper. That's funny. Uh, Mad Money, November 20, 2025. I made a comment on it, or CNBC. So is that KNT, whatever that is that like a bot? Like, cause I I did block one of those. Maybe that's another bot that's popping up for some reason. Oh, it's kind of weird. Kind of, sort of, halfway weird. Let's see. Okay, let's see what else should I. Let me check at the hymns. So I got a cash secured put on the hymns thingy. That almost came to the profit area here. It's climbing up pretty quick here. So today it's up 8.92. Overnight it's up. So if it's up enough, I might just close it out tomorrow at a profit. The cash secured put that I have on hims and hers, possibly. I don't know. Or if I want to wait, I could just wait a little bit and collect that full $251 if I wait. What do you do on this live? I do exactly this, what I'm doing. Doing trades, looking at potential trades I will do, planning trades, a whole bunch of stuff, stock market stuff. And it's like my, what do you call it, cyber campfire, chilling, talking here with people, just having a good time. Just having a flippin' good time. Let's see what Hood is up to. So Hood, I got the flippin' call option, the leaps. It's kind of down at the moment, but it's okay. Let's see. Oh, I just joined, sorry. Oh, okay, no worries. No worries there, YMD Gaming 96. I'm just chilling here, doing some trades, buying some crypto, selling some crypto, buying some, companies, shares, fractional shares. Just talking here with people, just chilling, just trying to have a good time here. Oh yeah, I gotta always not forget to feed the elf. I wonder how the elf is doing. Flippin' elf is flipping hungry. Look, it's like -19, so it's kind of hungry. Maybe I should ask the paper if I should feed the elf. If the paper says no, man, flipping Santa Claus is gonna be pissed as hell. Flipping Santa is gonna be pissed as hell if the paper's gonna say no. Should I feed the elf? Let's see what it says. Oh no. Santa Claus is gonna be super pissed. It said no, not to feed the elf. Oh no. I'm flipping scared. I'm flipping freaking out. Like Santa Claus might spank me because he's gonna be so pissed because I'm not feeding his elves. Oh no, what am I gonna do? What am I flipping gonna do? I can't feed the flipping elf. The flipping paper said no. Crypto selling off again. Crypto, I'll check right now real quick. One last try. Oh, you mean I should throw the paper again? if I need to feed the elf. The paper said no. Now Santa Claus will be angry because I'm not feeding his worker. Oh, did I buy Poet? Let me see. I don't think I have, but I could check it out. Yeah, so it looks like I don't have it. I didn't even have it on my watch list. I'll add it to the watch list. But yeah, it is up quite a bit today. But like, fortunately or unfortunately, I don't have that one. But I could ask the paper see what it thinks. I think it has some good potential on it right there, possibly. I think Santa has more pull than the paper, bro. I know, right? For sure. It's funny. YMD wants you to explain options, bro. YMD wants you to explain options. Oh, explain options. I see. I see. Okay, maybe. Well, it's a pretty options in general. It's a big subject. There's like you could talk about it for hours, but I could explain some basic, simple stuff. But anyways, for right now, I'm gonna see if it's worth it to get some poet. Let's see, is it worth it to get some poet? Let's see what it says. Also, so it kind of sort of halfway likes the poet thingy. I guess I could get some of that thingy. Although it's kind of up right now, but I could put it on the radar by like at least adding $1 to it and see what it does. Because it said yes, so I could get whatever, any amount that I want on that one. So I could get at least a tiny little bit of amount, like maybe get like $1. There we go, I got the poet. Bard. That's funny. Okay, to explain options. Okay, let me see. Let's explain some options. I'll go to the flipping here, the one that's like one of the ones that have one of the most. So if you want to do options, trade options. So if you want to get like a call, if you want to buy a call, for example, you do this one. If you buy a call, so if you buy a call, one call option, if you buy it, it controls 100 shares of a stock, but you don't owe 100 shares of a stock. You control it. If it doesn't move your direction, whatever you used to buy into it, it expires worthless. So right here, for example, if it doesn't reach your strike price by the expiration date, it'll just expire worthless. You lose all the money. The same thing with the put. If you buy a put, that means you're betting on the company on stock to go down. So, for example, if you get this one, you buy it. If it doesn't reach your strike price, that means you'll flip and lose all your money. If it does go like in your direction, that means you'll be in a profit. You could sell the option at a profit. But then if you sell calls or puts, if you sell a put, you could actually, it's a safer play to do. If you sell a put, you could actually collect money. You could collect money while potentially getting into a stock for a cheaper price. So over here, in a week, you could get like $56 for potentially getting the stock for whatever, $27. Let's see if that's a sell put. Yeah. Sell put. So right now, the stock is going for 27.33. So you could potentially get the stock for 27 even, and you get paid $56 for potentially getting into a stock for a cheaper price. So that's selling puts, but you do need to have enough money to be able to buy 100 shares of the stock for the strike price of $27 that it says over there. You know, that's your collateral. You got to have enough collateral to buy that. But it's like you're the insurance company that's writing these contracts, and you get paid these premiums. And then like it's called the wheel strategy. If you get put assign the call assign the shares, then you could go like and start selling the calls against that, against the shares that you have. So you go and like for example do this one. You could collect money to potentially sell like 100 shares for a profit and at the same time collect premium, like the insurance type deal, the premium. So it's pretty much you're getting paid to potentially buy stocks at a discount, and you get paid to potentially sell stocks at a profit at the same time collecting extra premiums on top of that. But like for example, in this case, if the stock goes higher than whatever that price is, the strike price, you'll only get the appreciation value up to the $28 over there. So that's pretty much what you'll get. Well, anyways, that's like the fastest, simplest breakdown that I did. Like, there's so much more details and depth and information about it, but like, try to explain it like super fast, easy form. Risk it for the biscuit and the paper. Okay, kind of makes sense. Oh, nice, nice. Pow. Risk it for the biscuit and the paper. That's enough for me, thanks. Oh, you're welcome there, YMD Gaming. Hopefully the information is kind of helpful, but like if you want to learn the options trading, like if I were you, like I would watch a lot of videos. YouTube has a lot of good videos. You could watch, educate yourself, and you could actually make pretty good money if you learn and be consistent with it. Let's see, shares, the silver's going up too quite a bit. So let's see, I'm currently down a tiny bit. I wonder if it's going up, if the market will start reversing or not. Let me check out gold real quick. Let's see, where's gold? Do I not have gold? Oh, I think I may. Oh shit, I don't know what the hell did I do. I think I may have sold all my gold earlier. Let me see. GLD. Oh yeah, I sold all my gold today. Flippin' A. Why did I sell all my... I got rid of my cyber bling. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna buy a tiny bit. I'm gonna buy $1 worth of it. And then, gotta make sure I have it on the radar. I should ask... Because right now the gold's starting to move up. Hopefully the market doesn't decide to tank. Because it's a potential... Because yesterday it was a reverse. The gold was going down, the market was going up. Right now it might start to kind of reverse. Potentially. Who knows, Let's see, I'm gonna ask the paper, should I add some more to the gold? Let's see what it says. Should I add some more to the gold? Is it worth it to start dollar cost averaging into the gold? So the paper said yes. Okay, the paper said yes, so I'll throw a tiny bit in there. Not much, but at least something. At least flipping something. Let's see. Buy low, sell high. Yep, for sure. I just recently sold all the gold that I had. Wasn't a big profit, but it was like some profit. That's why I had some more buying power that opened up. But I'll probably buy a little bit. Flipping paper said it's okay to start dollar cost averaging into it. But gold still doesn't hurt for the long term. It goes up. It's kind of like a no-brainer type deal on that thingy. It's too difficult for me. Forex. What I like to trade. Occasional crypto. Oh, I see there, YMD. I see. That's pretty cool. Oh, hi there, Luke Montgomery, 6663. Okay, so I got some gold. Let me see if I should add a tiny bit more to the silver. I'm gonna ask the... Okay, so I have the gold. Let's see. I'm gonna ask the paper if I should get some more silver. Should I start dollar cost averaging into the silver? Let's see what the paper says. Oh, the paper said yes, but it was kind of trying to hide under the chair. But I think the paper kind of likes the cyber bling. It likes some fancy things. Flipping paper likes some fancy things. So I guess I could get some more silver. Hell yeah. Let's see, buy. Probably get like maybe $3 worth because I got some of it. I think a little bit won't hurt. Dollar cost average. Ask the paper if it's better to ask the paper or ask AI. Let's see. So how should I ask it? Uh, Dude, I don't know about plug and Hormel. Had those two a couple years and they just like flatline, man. Yeah, I know. I got some plug and some other stuff. Like, I've been like I had on the plug, but I just wasn't able to cash out like once it was ahead and started going down. So right now I'm negative on that one. But Hormel, I don't think I have that one. If it's better to ask paper. Okay, let's see. Is it worth it to ask AI instead of the paper? Let's see what the paper says. The paper said yes. I said, is it worth it to ask AI? The paper said yes. The paper said that it's worth it to ask AI. The paper knows better. The paper's just being humble, because it's kind of good to be humble. The paper's like, yeah, I'm not all that. You could go ask other weird critters out there, other cyber critters. They could do their own thing. It's being humble. You know. I know, right? The paper does want a vacation. That's funny. It's sentient. Okay, hey paper, have you had too much to drink? Let's see what the paper says. The paper said no. I think if the paper drank something, it would be soggy and wet. It wouldn't fly. It would just plop. So I think the paper is not lying. Paper's like, I ain't be drinking. Maybe the paper is smoking or something. But if it'd be smoking, it'd be in flames. It'd be nothing but ash. So I guess it's just being clean and like healthy. It's doing the right thing. The paper said he can give you more elaborate answers. Ask the paper if Santa Claus is coming this year. The paper is under some type of influence, definitely. Possibly, I don't know. So ask the paper if Santa is coming this year. Okay, is Santa coming this year? Let's see what it's gonna say. The paper said no. uh, yeah. Oh man, funny stuff, man, like crazy. Oh hi there, Amir's Gaming. The paper is hilarious. I know, right? I know it's paper for sure. Kind of has a mind of its own, sort of halfway a little bit. Let's see, AMD, it's up 5.47% for the day. I don't have much of it. I recently sold everything that I had and I bought $1 back, but I'll probably wait on that one for sure. Isaac, oh, oh, thanks, man. Happy Hanukkah. Quantum computing, that thing's down kind of a little bit. AMD and MCD is good. Yeah, I think those are good. Let's see, MCD. I'm not sure what MCD is. AMD is good, but like for sure, you want to try to get them at the best possible times. Oh, McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's. Like people are gonna keep on eating there. Like sometimes it does better, sometimes it does worse. Like any other company. But I think in general, it's something decent. See if you look at the long big picture, yeah, it keeps on going up for the most part, and even has a dividend. Like maybe I should ask the paper like if it wants McDonald's. Hey, paper, do you want McDonald's? Let's see what it says. Oh, the paper's smart. It don't want to get fat. It said no. It doesn't want the cheesecake. It don't want McDonald's. So see, the paper knows what it's doing. It knows what it's talking about. He's like, nope, I want the healthy shit. That's what the paper's saying. You know, paper be like super humble and healthy, sort of halfway. Paper is in diet. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Yeah, on a diet. Yeah, it's kind of funny. Oh, good morning there, Denny Dubs. Ask the paper about American Bitcoin. What should I ask it about the American Bitcoin? Is it worth it to buy the Bitcoin? Let's see. Is it worth it to buy Bitcoin? Let's see what the paper thinks. Is it worth it to buy American Bitcoin? Let's see what it thinks. The paper said no. The paper flipping said no. Oh man. Crazy stuff. Yes, the stock. Okay. That's funny. That's flipping funny. Let's see, which other one did. Oh, Amazon. Let's see what Amazon up to. Amazon, I'm currently down a tiny bit. For the long run, I'm pretty bullish on the Amazon thingy. I'm gonna ask the paper what it thinks about the Amazon thingy. Is it worth it to dollar cost into Amazon? Let's see what the paper thinks. Is it worth it to dollar cost into Amazon? To buy Amazon? Oh, looks like the paper likes Amazon thingy. I asked if it's worth it to dollar cost average into Amazon. It said yes. It kind of sort of halfway likes that one a little bit. That's cool. That's pretty cool. That means I'll get at least some of it. Like maybe toss a lucky number 3 into it. Yeah. Paper knows it. Flipping paper knows it. Oopsies, excuse me. Let's see, which other one should I check here? Yeah, I hope Santa's not gonna be pissed at me because the paper said not to feed the elf, and I usually feed it daily, so Santa might be super pissed, but it is what it is. Let's see, check something else here. What does the numbers mean on the paper? Oh, the numbers mean on the paper 777. I think it's kind of like a lucky number. 1 and 7 and 3 are like lucky numbers, like to make it more precise. To make the predictions more precise, it has lucky numbers on it. The 7s and the 1 and the 3 and the 7. Flipping lucky numbers. He's not coming this year, so it does not matter. Oh, yeah. Remember I asked if Santa Claus is coming and said no. So, yeah, nothing to worry about then. Awesome. I kind of forgot about that one. CMG Chipotle. That's for sure. That's funny. Any Tesla? I have Tesla. Long term, I'm bullish on it. Short term, like it could potentially dip, go down, but long term, I'm bullish on it. CMG. I like CMG like as a restaurant, but right now, looks like it's not doing the greatest. That's just because people can't really afford to eat out much. I think that's why, for the most part. See how like much it dipped. It's like lower highs, and just went down. Um, it's a good restaurant. I like it. I personally like the restaurant and everything. It's just that like the economy is not the greatest, and a lot of people they just can't afford to go there all the time. The paper is worth more than 100 trillion Zimbabwe dollars. That's funny. So CMG $27. Well, it's right now it's 31.27, but it could potentially go there. You know, like I'm not sure, but the thing is, right now it's hard to tell because like it dipped so much to. I think eventually it'll start going back up. You know, like it. Let me see. Where's the 27 here? So 27's around here. It might potentially hit that support or whatever and bounce off of it. That's a potential. But let me see what the paper thinks. I could ask the paper, but like it's just going down right now because a lot of people are not using it as much. You know, like the majority of people don't go there too often. That's why the restaurant itself is pretty good. Let me see. Is it worth it to start buying CMG? Let's see what it says. Oh, so the paper said no. I said if it's worth it to buy CMG right now, it said no. So I think paper kind of is on the same page as me, you know, because I think it's not worth it at the moment, and the paper's thinking the same thing. Paper thinks the same thing. It was 83,000 Friday. Oh wow, pick the next stock. Yeah, I have been watching it for 27 reverse. Oh, I see, I see. But yeah, it might like bounce back up from 27. You know, it's a potential. At the moment, like it might keep on dipping potentially. Yeah, CMG has been wild. Yeah, yeah, I like the restaurant, but like it's just how it's performing and how much people could afford to go there often. That's the thing that kind of impacts it right now with this economy. So it was 83,000 Friday. Also, like the what do you call it? Bitcoin. You're talking about 83,000. Let's see, where's Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin's doing okay for now. Yeah, it was like way lower just a little bit ago. Hey there, Lance Briefcase. Not much, just chilling here, buying the stocks, crypto, just the normal. How's the paper feeling tonight? The paper is feeling good. Actually, did some pretty decent predictions. All in favor of the paper, say aye. Aye. That's funny. The paper has been hot, might catch on fire. May very likely catch on fire for sure. CMG recently cut forecast on store. It was on CNBC about 2 weeks ago. Oh wow. Okay, XRP thingy. So I do have some Bitcoin, not much. Right now, $94. XRP, I have XRP too. I think I may have sold out of it today. Oh yeah, I sold out of XRP that I had today because it was at a profit, and I bought $1 back, so the dollar turned into 99 cents. But yeah, and I asked the paper if I should buy some more today. It said no, so I got the dollar on it right now. There are about 20 million Bitcoin circulating. Oh wow. Why everyone like XRP? Oh, XRP is just it's just another crypto. I mean, I like it. I mean, I don't mind it. Like I dollar cost average into it, and then like once it gets into the profit zone, I just sell it. You know, then start dollar cost averaging back into it. I mean, it's not the biggest thing. Like right now, I barely have anything. I sold out of it today, but I mean, if you want an extra thing to kind of mess around with, play around with, it's not too bad. Please ban KNT is a bot. Okay, I'll ban the KNT. It's weird. Like there's multiple KNTs because I just recently banned one. KNT. They are about 20 million bitcoins. Let's see. Okay, so hide this user. Put user into timeout. Okay, so I put the KNT thingy on timeout. Hopefully it's not gonna pop back up. Cause this is like the second KNT that popped up. It's kind of weird. So at least I put it on timeout. Hopefully it doesn't come back on whatever that thingy is. But yeah, it's kind of banned for now at least. Yeah, I sold the cyber kitties at a profit today too. Like when I was at work, I didn't make much profit, but I sold out and I bought $1 back. So after I did that, it started dipping a tiny bit. Alt account. Oh, I see. I see. Ask the paper, should you ignore KNT variance? Okay, what's KNT variance? Oh, should I ignore KNT variance? Oh, it's the one that was like on here. Okay. Should I ignore KNT variance? Let's see what it'll say. It doesn't know. Look how it landed against the wall. It's like literally vertical. It landed vertically and it said no. I mean, the visible part, no. So, like, it might be a no, but because it's so vertical, it's not sure. So it said no sideways. Sideways, vertical, no. Looking at your two charts looks like XRP broke away from Bitcoin a little bit. Alex, that happens with all crypto. Yep, happens with all crypto. Let's see, maybe I should ask if I should feed the cyber kitty in the cyber puppy world. Should I feed the cyber kitty in the cyber puppy world right now? Should I feed the cyber kitty? Should I buy that one? It's the cyber mule. See, again, this is the second time it said no. Like, it really doesn't want the cat to eat. It doesn't want the cyber cat to eat. I guess it kind of is what it is. It wants them cyber critters to starve like crazy. Sell everything, buy crypto, BTC, and HOD. Ask the paper if it's past your bedtime. Okay. Hey, paper, is it past my bedtime? I see what it says. The paper said no. I guess paper's lonely. Wants me to stay up and like keep on talking with it. Oh man, the paper is cool. I know, right? Paper allows more stock picking. Gotta love the paper for sure, for sure. That's funny, man. That's funny. Okay, definitely doesn't want the cats and dogs to eat right now. The flipping cyber dogs, cyber kitties, cyber puppies. Let's see. Bitcoin still 87,000. Still bouncing around that good area right there. Let me see. Like, I'll check back on the gold and silver real quick here. Let's kind of see where potentially the market should go. So yeah, gold is kind of deciding to move up. So hopefully that doesn't mean that the market will kind of reverse and go down. Like, because yesterday was doing the opposite, is going down, and like I was saying, if gold's going down, the market's gonna go up, and that's kind of what happened. But hopefully it's not gonna do the opposite tomorrow. Ask the paper if it cares what chat thinks if it low. So ask the paper if it cares what chat thinks if it low. I'm not sure what that question is. Ask the paper if it cares what chat thinks Hey, paper, do you care what chat thinks? Let's see what the paper says. Okay, the paper said no on that question over there. Paper said no. Oh, man. Paper kind of sort of halfway knows it, right? So ADTX. So it's like one of them cheaper stocks, kind of like a penny stock, but it looks like it bounced quite a bit here recently. So up to date, 27%. That's quite a bit. I wonder what made it pop. ADTXTINT is a biotech innovation company which engages in the development and commercialization of technologies focusing on monitoring and modulating the immune system. Its innovation portfolio includes Adamine and AdTechScore. The company was founded by Leonard L. Bailey, Shahrokh Shabak, and Amro Albana, September 28, 2017, and is headquartered in Mountain View, California. The listed name for ADTX is ADIXT INT common stock. But yeah, I don't know what made it bounce or like pop here recently, but like just today it was up 27%. It's pretty crazy. Maybe I should ask the paper if it's worth it to buy the ADITXT ADTX. Let's see, is it worth it to buy the ADTX? Let's see what the paper says. The paper said yes on that thingy, so I gotta probably at least add it to the radar. At least get some of it, right? Yeah, man. Get at least a tiny bit. Let's see, buy. Oh, this one wants in full shares. Okay, dismiss. Well, it's pretty cheap, so I guess I could get it in a share. Let's see, shares, buying shares, buy one. Hell yeah. Spy. Gold is going to up from my perspective. Is the, let's see, Brentwood's 3 theory. Also, this transition around 2021, the unipolar world was no longer viable economic system since this is the transition from old. And never mind, F it. I'm done explaining. So gold is going up. I see. I see. Well, I believe that. I believe that gold's going up. Like in general, like it's gonna keep on going up. Like for the long term. I like the gold thingy. I got a couple cute orders on that thingy. Let's see. Ask paper yes, yes, no on VST. Let's see. VST. This thing right here. So let's see. Okay, I could ask the paper. Like, I don't even know what this company's about. Top stocks to trade. See, added to. Let's see. So analyst ratings: 83% buy, 13% hold, 4% sell. So analysts kind of bullish on it a little bit. I could ask and see what the paper thinks. Is it worth it to buy the VST? Not that I'm gonna buy it, but just to see what it thinks. Is it worth it to buy the VST? Let's see what it says. Oh, the paper said no. It landed on no there on that thingy. So paper doesn't really believe in that one, kind of, sort of, a little bit halfway. Energy. The point is we're transitioning to a new monetary system that back up with private and public liquidity, mainly commodity based. Big news about Broadcom partnering with Google. Both went up like crazy today. Oh wow, that's crazy. XRPG. Broadcom partnering with Google. Both went up like crazy. Wow, that's yeah. That's why I think I heard like Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett got like the Google stock, the Class A or whatever. I think he invested. I don't know how much, but yeah, it went up quite a bit for a big company to move up like 6.25%. Then overnight, additional 2.71%. That's pretty decent move, pretty big move. That's crazy. Let me see. I'm not sure if I have it. I think I had it recently. Right now, I don't have any of it. Let me see. Like I should ask the paper. Should I get some Google? Let's see what it says. Should I get some flipping Google? Let's see what flipping says. Oh no, it said no. Maybe because it's gonna dip here shortly. So I think after it dips, then I should probably add to it. But for right now, it said no because I think it knows better. It's kind of smart because it already went up quite a bit. You know, then I think it's just telling us to have some patience on it. For sure, for sure. If you don't have Broadcom, Google, and Microsoft, you should have had it yesterday. Hello from Atlantic City. Oh, hi there, Mr. Stars. Buy a leap option on it. Yeah, a leap option on this one will be good. Especially right now, I think if it dips some a tiny bit more, probably be a good time to get a leaps. But right now, because it did such a big move, I'm not sure. Like sometimes, like eventually after they move up quite a bit, like they go back down, and then move back up. So like maybe on a slightly or bigger dip, could get a leaps and then ride it up quite a lot. No, like Google for the long term for sure. That one's a good trade. It's a good, very good buy. And the Broadcom too. Uh, let's see. Let's see where Lyft is at. Lyft, like for me, I think I might maybe get like a thingy of Lyft. I might get like a leaps on that one because if it's gonna go to like $30 in the near future, just to be safe, if I get like a year out leaps, I think that might be a pretty decent one. I already made quite a bit of money just on the Lyft company. If I get like a January 15, 2027 by call, let's see, maybe if I get like, let's see what the delta on this thingy is. Delta 0.73, so it's a decent delta. So if I get like maybe 5, if I get like 5 and ride it all the way up to flipping $30, that's gonna be big. From where it's at, from like where it's at to $30, it's gonna be a pretty good win. No, not Lyft. Why not Lyft their Lancer briefcase? Look at SoFi or Hood for option contracts, or maybe MP for rare earth materials. Oh, I see. Well, I do have SoFi, but like I am pretty bullish on Lyft. I made quite a bit of money on it. Let's see. Like see where it like fell from over there. I think eventually it's gonna go back there, even higher than that. Like I think within now in like 3 4 months, it'll reach $30. But just my opinion. SoFi and Hood, I have those. I have a whole bunch of SoFi. Let's see. See, I got a couple of SoFi leaps, but I got those when like SoFi was higher up, so I'm kind of down on it. And then the SoFi itself, I got like a whole bunch of shares. See, I got 228 shares of that, $6,206 worth of that. So I got quite a bit of that one. Oh, nice. Lyft is going to 40 by 27. Oh, I could see that happening for sure. They're Western or Western W. I have been waiting to buy Hood, but they're promising at current prices for call options. Yes, yes, right now, like yes, the leaps. Right now, like definitely like it would be a good time, like especially if it goes slightly lower, but even right now, like it would be a good time to get some leaps on this. But like because I have so much of this right now, I could add some to the shares a little bit. But because I'm kind of, it's one of my biggest positions already. So like instead of that one, I might add to the lift or to something else just to kind of have it a little bit diversified. Oops. Yeah, and the hood thing, yeah, I bought it when it was quite a bit higher. See, like the option, I'm down quite a bit on it actually. It's up today over $480, but in general, I'm down on the position. But when I opened it, like I was ahead, and then I collected some. Because on this one I did a poor man's covered call, so I collected some premiums on it at least. So whatever I'm down on, it's not bad, and it expires like way past a year, so it's not too bad. I think eventually it'll be back in the profit zone. TPB, TPB, Turning Point Brands. Okay, let's see. So today it's down 0.63. Past week down 0.412. Past month up 0.56. 3 months down. Year to date it's up. Year it's up. 5 years it's up. And max is up. So in general, the general trend looks pretty decent on that one. I might add it to the top stocks to trade. Let's see here. So it does have a small dividend. Let's see, no analyst ratings. Let me see. I wonder what this company's about. About Turning Point Brands. Turning Point Brands, INC engages in manufacturing, marketing, and distributing branded consumer products, including alternative smoking accessories and consumables with active ingredients. It operates through the following segments: Zigzag Products, Stoker's Products, and Creative Distribution Solutions. The Zigzag Product segment markets and distributes rolling papers, tubes, finished cigars, and MYO cigars, wraps. The Stalkers. Okay, so it's involved in those type of things. So it seems pretty decent, you know. I see. I should ask the paper: is it worth it to buy the TPB? Let's see what it says. Is it worth it to buy the TPB? Let's see what it says. It said yes. I guess it likes that one. Flipping paper likes that one. Man, paper trading after hours is kind of fun. You know, like paper trading with real money after market, close. It's pretty fun. Let's see, shares. Maybe change this into like dollars if it'll let me. Dollar, just to kind of have it on the radar for now. But yeah, it's kind of interesting. Paper trading, midnight paper trading with real money. Good stuff. Good stuff. Paper's getting old. Damn paper, come on. The paper killed that dollar. That's funny. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't, right? I keep saying Nick needs a gold coin to flip. Paper needs an upgrade. I know, right? Paper probably does need an upgrade, huh? Then, like, maybe if it's not a paper, the coin might have different odds. Maybe the coin might make me lose. The paper, at least, it's profitable, you know. I think it's not in the paper. It's in the faith. If you believe in it hard enough, it'll happen. Whatever the hell it is. That's funny. Okay, so I gotta look at the LFG. Let's see what it has for the LFG. It doesn't have the. Oh, I think I put the wrong thing in. LFG. LFG. So it has the LFGY, but not the LFG. Yield Max Crypto Industry and Tech Pro. Only the LFGY. Let's see what it says. Looks like it's kind of downtrending like crazy for some reason. I probably wouldn't trust it. I mean, yeah, it's up to date quite a bit, but like, why is it down like going down forever like crazy? Even if I click the max, it's just dipping down like crazy. I love the paper, the way the wind carries it to its destiny. I know, right? Yeah, the way the paper travels. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. But yeah, I kind of don't like this one. Like, I personally wouldn't trade this one. I think some of the ones that are kind of sure, like I don't even need to ask the paper thingy, but sometimes it might be worth it. Let's see where Nvidia is at. So Nvidia is down 2.15% overnight, although it's up over 2% today, but I guess we'll see what it does later. Let's see, maybe I should ask the flipping paper if it's worth it to buy Nvidia. I do have a leaps option on it that's kind of down right now. See over there. Huge management fees too. Oh yeah, I haven't even checked that, but if that's in addition to the whole thing, yeah, it's crazy. Totally not worth it. No, for long. Oh, I see. Yeah, Nvidia for the long term, I think it's a very good play. Short term, even if it dips, uh, if you're in it for the long ride, I think you'll be fine. Like I agree with you. Let's see. I could ask the paper: is it worth it to get more Nvidia? Let's see what it says. At least right now. So I said for at least right now, and it said no. So I think it might dip some more short term, but for the long term, I'm pretty sure Nvidia is pretty good. I mean, I've got the leaps call option on it. Yeah, I've got the leaps call option on that thing, so I like it. But maybe the paper said no on it short term because I said for right now, and for right now it said no. Nvidia is massive. I own for way cheap pre-split. Oh wow, that's crazy. You got a good deal on it there, then Lance Briefcase. That's pretty crazy. That's awesome. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. But yeah, I like Nvidia. I got the call option on it, and then shares wise, I don't think I have barely anything shares wise, but most of the what I got is in the call option, the leaps call option. Lucky. Why is it very powerful to sell old crypto wallets through the CD4KI project? Nvidia good, just DCA or buy low. Oh yeah, for sure DCA, or just get it on the dips for sure. It's a very good one. Oh, Ollie is a bot. It's weird. Like how do the bots flipping get here? It doesn't make sense. Same bot from yesterday. So I already blocked two bots. So I should block that one then. I see. I tried to block it. Keep it timeout. Okay. So I put the bot in timeout. Hopefully that'll work. It's weird. I didn't think they had like bots and chats or anything weird like that, but it's kind of weird. Doesn't make any sense. How do the bots do that? Well, I blocked it. Uh, it probably won't hurt to get some shares of Nvidia too. Then, oh, nice, nice. For sure, I'll probably get some more Nvidia. Should I buy Google? Well, Google for me personally, it's not financial advice, but for me, like I like Google for the long run for sure. Especially that Warren Buffett bought a whole bunch of it recently, like billions of dollars worth. But like because it went up so much recently, I think it may go down. I'm not sure, but look, it already went up so much. The thing is, it might go down some more before it continues up because usually stocks don't go up forever like crazy. But still, it's the stock market. Anything could happen. But me personally, I'd probably get some more of it if it dips a little bit more. But that's if because it could still keep on moving up. Nobody knows. But yeah, for me, long term, I'm very bullish on this one. I like it. But I did ask the paper today. It said no for right now because I think it's wanting it to go down a little bit, and then I could add more to it. Let's see, Google AAA. Oh, nice. Yeah, for sure. Both are safe growth plays. Oh yeah, definitely. I believe that for sure. I like Meta too with all that data they have. Oh yeah, Meta's pretty awesome. I started dollar cost averaging into that one recently, especially after like it did the initial dip. I started buying it and then I started adding a tiny bit more to it. So it is starting to go back up. But see, I'm currently down on it, but I got like $1,776 on it. So not a lot, but something at least. I started to dollar cost average into it. Let's see, what if I do like a options trade and do like let me see, November 28th, where I go to the builder and I build it to go up. And I go and do like a let's see, called put credit spread. I'll do a put credit spread and see, try to make sure it doesn't reach the 600. If it doesn't reach the 600, adjust the width, maybe change the width into like $10, submit 10, and then strike. I think strike is fine because I could just pick one out of these. Okay, so right now it's going for 61455. Strike, do this. So in this case, if I do this one, then I could change the width again, but it keeps on changing it. So change the width to $5. Oh shit. That's weird. Like when I change it, like the other thing disappears. Doesn't make sense. So you put it back to 600. So if I get, and then the width, it's like, oh, I guess I could pick the width myself the way it is. So 600 and 590. So that's like a $10 width right there. So do that one. So review. So max loss is $867, but then max profit is $133. So in a week, by the end of the week, I could make at least that much money if it doesn't go down to that price. But still kind of risky, but it might be worth it. I don't know. Like kind of a decent potential, but I like to do once in a while like credit spreads, put credit spreads, call debit spreads, like credit spreads. Pretty fun. Ask the paper, should you get both class A and B Google? I could ask it. Let's see. I have positions in a lot of tech, but one I do not intentionally have is Meta. Oh, I see. Yeah, I really like Meta for a long term. Santa Rally, a real thing. I heard we had the worst November since 2018. Yeah, like this November was pretty terrible. Actually, I think it was one of the worst ones. Uh, in a long time. Paper already said Santa wasn't coming. It said Santa wasn't coming. Does it mean that the Santa rally is not coming? I could ask if the Santa rally is coming or not. So ask the paper, should you get both Class A and B Google? Let's see. Is it worth it to get both Class A and B Google? Let's see what it says. On that question, the paper said no. Let's see, is the Santa rally coming this season? Oh, it said yes. It said that Santa rally is coming. See, it landed on the chair thingy over there. So yeah, now I could look forward to the Santa rally. Okay, so Santa Claus is not coming. People are naughty, but Santa rally is coming. So like it kind of makes sense. Santa Claus is not coming. Santa rally is coming. Okay, perfectly makes sense now. I knew it. Has to be on floor. No, I think it's pretty accurate. If it lays flat enough and it's readable, I think it's all good. I think it's all good. Yep, I asked about the Santa rally and it said that, yes, Santa rally is coming. So Santa Claus ain't coming, Santa rally is. Yeah, yeah. Let's see here. But yeah, I definitely like Meta for the long term. It's like a big company, like it's linked with Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Lots of advertising like is happening on Meta. Like it's involved with the AI stuff, the new glasses that it's got, and just a whole bunch of stuff. The recent dip was like kind of a stupid dip. They paid the big tax thingy with the new changes, and then because they invest a lot into AI, and that's why it freaked out the investors, so they sold out. But it's a good company. It's just for me a no-brainer to get. Maybe I should ask the paper. Should I add some more to the Meta platforms? Let's see. Should I add some more to the Meta platforms? Let's see what it says. Should I add some more to the Meta platforms? Oh no, it said no. I think it's because I already have a lot in it. But for right now, it said no on the Meta. But I already have a lot in it, so maybe later it'll let me add to it. Crazy stuff. If paper ever lays vertical, world ends. World ends. But it already did it. It landed vertical like a few times already. AV. Let's see. AV. So, okay. Let's look at the chart. The chart looks pretty bullish. It doesn't have a dividend. So the analysts are saying 100% buy. So in general, looks pretty good. I'm not sure what this company is. I never heard about it. Environment. I want to read about it a tiny bit. Okay, Aero Environment. INT engaged in the design, development, and production of multi-domain robotic system and related services for government agencies and businesses. It operates through the following business segments: in uncrewed systems, loitering, munition systems, and MacReady work. The uncrewed systems segment focuses primarily on small UAS products designed to operate reliably at lower altitudes in a whole wide range of environmental conditions. The loitering, okay, a whole bunch of that type of stuff. Okay, I get it. I just don't want to read the whole thing right now. But it seems like it's in a pretty decent department and stuff like that. So I added to my watch list. Maybe I should add, like, ask the paper if I should add a tiny bit of that one or put it on my radar. Is it worth it to buy the AVAV? Let's see what it says. That one flew weird. It didn't even fly. But it said yes. But dude, it behaved pretty weird on that one. It just flew like crazy. It flipping flew like crazy. Ask the paper about SCWO. Subscribe. I'm worried about the corporate bonds possible bailout with AI. That's a potential, it's the stock market, anything could happen, but in general, it looks pretty decent, but we'll see. I'll probably just get $1 of it. The paper said yes, I could get a tiny bit, at least have it on the radar. Okay, let's see. Then the next one, ask the paper about SCWO. CWO. Is it that one? SCWO, I guess so. 374 water. That's like a penny stock type deal. Let's see, what is it about? 374 Water INT is a clean technology company. It offers supercritical water oxidation waste processors. It caters to municipal and industrial wastewater treatment plants, food waste chemicals plants, and okay, it's in all that type of stuff. Okay, I see. I mean, like, let me just look at the chart. Like, looks like it's trending downwards. It had a little pop here recently, but kind of trending down. Me personally, I probably wouldn't get it. It seems like a decent company in general, but I'll see what the paper thinks. Like, this time, whether it says yes or no, I'm not gonna buy it. Just see what it thinks. Is it worth it to buy the SCWO? Let's see what it says. Just what it thinks about it. So the paper said no. Even me myself, I said I wouldn't buy it, even if it said yes. And the paper said no on this one too. So paper's thinking the same way I am on this one. So the paper confirmed my thought. Your portfolio is the entire stock market. That's funny. It kind of almost is. I know, it's funny. They delete forever chemicals. Oh, I see. Well, yeah, I mean, the company in general looks like a pretty decent company, but right now it's so cheap and like the just the trend in general. If it's a decent company, if it's not functioning right, like doesn't mean it's gonna be profitable. But what it does, looks like a decent company in general. But to invest in it, I probably don't trust it. Your portfolio is the entire stock market. I know, I got one too many things. I got so much stuff. It's like crazy. I even got the prediction markets. Look, and I'm kind of sort of halfway right on some of them because they're green. Hopefully, it'll stay right. Maybe I should do another prediction market thing, another random thingy. Let's see. Which one should I vote for? Maybe the. Maybe I could bet for this one right here, right? Go for that one, and bet on that one. Then we'll see what it does. Hell yeah, we'll see what happens. Awesome. So I made another bet. Now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different like prediction market bets. Hell yeah. Las Vegas to lose next game. Apparently anything Broncos. That's funny. I was doing event contracts earlier. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, the funny thing is, I kind of bet randomly, and like a lot of times I win. Like I get these alerts saying, "Oh, like you won this, you won that," from the prediction market. I was like, "Oh wow, that's pretty cool." Anyways, I guess we'll see what happens, right? Oh man, funny stuff. Let me see. I'm gonna click it back to the flipping Bitcoin for a second here. See how that's popping. So it looks like holding its value for a little bit where it's at around the 87, 88,000. Uh, let's see. Apparently anything wrong. Good. Brown to win against 49ers. Possibly. What's your thoughts on AZ Cash? It's a privacy token. How much per share is Bitcoin? How much per share is Bitcoin? Uh, I don't know what you mean by how much per share is Bitcoin. One Bitcoin is worth right now 87,900 and whatever dollars. But per share, I mean, unless you're buying an ETF, there's different types of ETFs. So I don't know what you mean by that. But Bitcoin itself, it's right there. One coin is 87,000. What's your thoughts on AZ Cash? It's a privacy token. AZ Cash, I'm not sure if I have it or. Let's see. Oops. AZ Cash. Is it something like this or. No, it's something else. AZ. Cash sweep already enabled. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't think I have that, whatever that is. AZ Cash. Oh, Z Cash? That's weird. Like, on mine is just when I type it in, it just says the sweep or whatever. Maybe Robinhood doesn't have the Zcash, whatever that is. I don't see it. Yeah, I don't know what to think about it because I really don't know much about the Zcash, what it is, and didn't save any. Damn, it hurts to this day. See, I hate Bitcoin because of the fact that in high school I bought a bunch of this crap to buy of that good, and then didn't save any. Damn, it hurts till this day. Wow, smart. OVV Zcash. Oh, Zcash. Let's see. Oh, right here. Okay, I found it. I guess I was typing in the wrong thing. Yeah, Zcash, whatever it is on here, Robinhood doesn't let you buy it. See, I mean, I don't know what the full disclosure here is. Even if I see the disclosure, it doesn't mean anything. But to buy it or sell it, it's not allowing that here yet. So it says these he can't be traded on Robinhood. Only real-time market data is available. So it can't be traded on here. But like I don't know too much about it in general. But definitely they don't let you trade it on here. I sold half of my Bitcoin and went into BMNR last week. Oh wow, I see. Oh, hopefully that like plays out pretty good there. That play is selling half Bitcoin and getting to the BMNR. Hopefully that works out. Let's see, OVV. So up for the day, for the week, for the 3 months, it's down. Year to date, it's down. 1 year is down. 5 years, it's up. So, let's see. I could add it to the watch list. Let's see. So the analyst ratings on this one: 75% buy, 21% hold, 4% sell. Let's see. Does it have a? This one has a dividend, but like for the most part, like it's not. I mean, like for the 5 years, it's only moved 216%, which is not too much, and for the maximum amount, it's trending downwards. So I personally wouldn't probably buy it myself. Yeah, me personally, I probably wouldn't buy that one. I mean, I could ask what the paper thinks, but me personally, I probably wouldn't buy it. Let's see. Ovintiv INT engages in the production and development of oil, natural gas, liquids, and natural gas producing plays. The firm operates through the following segments: Canadian operations, USA operations, and market optimization. The Canadian operations segment includes the exploration for development of and production of oil, NGLs, natural gas. Okay, so it's involved in that stuff. Looks like it's a pretty decent company for the most part, but it doesn't look like it's too profitable. If you look at the max, it's at a negative. For 5 years, it's doing good and like it's not bad. But me personally, I'd rather invest into better companies. All right, I just was looking at that one and wanted to know what you think. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, me personally, I'd rather invest into something that grows a little bit faster and is more reliable. Do you think it's better to go for dividends or to stake your crypto? It kind of depends. I personally, I never staked crypto, but I know it could do pretty good. So, like, I don't know, dividends might be safer if you're doing it on a safe company. Like, it all kind of depends, how what you plan and how you want to go about it, type deal. But like I said, I personally never staked it, but I know you could make pretty good money if you're staking the right crypto at the right time. Like there's no perfect answer for that one. It all kind of depends. Like with stocks, with trading, if you have a good plan around it, like you could do good with either or. So it's like a vague kind of question, but like you could do good with both of them, and you could actually kind of lose money with both too, depending on what kind of what do you call it, dividend company you're in, or what kind of crypto you're staking, like in like what price you're getting in and stuff like that. So it all kind of depends. But me personally, I never staked crypto, but I kind of know what it's about. But like I said, I've never done it myself. It all kind of depends. Okay, I'm out of flipping coffee. I gotta go refill my cup with coffee. I'll be back in a little bit. Be back in a minute. Okay, I am back and I have another full cup of coffee. Hell yeah. Cheers. Time to have some more midnight coffee drinks. Good stuff. Okay, let's see what's going on. Hopefully I didn't miss anything too much here. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna go real quick to the flipping. Let's see, TSLL real quick. See what that thing is doing. So that, oh, it's up quite a bit for the day. 13.35. Nice, nice. So I'm gonna ask the flipping paper, see if I should add some more to the TSLL. I recently sold out of the whole thing. I've got the cash you could put on that thingy. Shares, I sold out all of it like a couple days ago at a profit, or a little bit ago. I'll ask the paper question. I'd start adding that one to my portfolio. Okay. Is it worth it to start dollar cost averaging into the TSLL? Let's see what it says. Oh, nice. It flipping said yes. So I guess I could start adding small amounts to it. So that makes it worth it. Easy answer. Hell yeah. Okay, let's start buying TSLL. Flipping TSLL. Maybe right now, probably start with a $7 thingy. Lucky number. Throw a lucky number at it. Hell yeah. Okay, and then after that, I'll go to Tesla and see if it'll let me get some of that one. So, see, the Tesla leverage one is up twice as much as this one. This one's up 6.76%. The other one's up like 13 point something percent. I mean, it's not that smart to buy something when it's kind of up already, but you know, a little bit still won't hurt. You know, won't hurt too much if I get it. I have like over $500 worth of that one. Let's see, should I add to the Tesla stock itself? Let's see what it says. See what it says. Should I add more to the Tesla? Okay, so weird. The TSLL it said yes, on the Tesla it said no. Okay, I guess I'll wait on the Tesla. Maybe because I already have quite a bit of it and they're like, nope, just wait a little bit. Maybe later. Okay. It is what it is on that one, so that's cool. I gotta wait on that one a little bit. Let's see, I'll check out Apple, see what Apple's doing. See what flipping Apple's doing. Apple's up for the day, up for the week, up for the month. It's like doing pretty good in general. Okay, let's see. Oh, it even has a tiny little dividend that it pays. Nice, nice. Let's see, maybe I'll buy one tiny apple. Poof. And it actually gave me an apple. Hell yeah. Let's see, I'll ask the paper, should I buy some more apple thingy? Should I buy some more apple? Let's see what it says. It said yes. It really likes some fruits and vegetables. I guess I get to buy some more apples. Hell yeah. Flipping buy some more cyber apples. Hell yeah. Awesome. Whew. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see here. GameStop. Let paper decide. Invest in Radio Shack, stuff that doesn't exist, or I think it doesn't exist. Do you think it's better to go for the? Oh, I think I already read that one. But okay, let me see. So I gotta buy the flipping apple. One more apple. Because it said yes on this one right now. Let's see. Let's check out GameStop. Is it worth it to buy GameStop? GameStop. GME, GameStop. I swear I don't even have it on my watch list. Top stocks to trade. Okay, let's see. That one doesn't pay a dividend. Let's see how the whole chart looks like. Okay, right now it's $20.50, and it came down from $28 there. Okay. Damn, like spiked like crazy over there. I think that was the time when like it kind of screwed a whole bunch of people over. Nice, nice, good stuff, good stuff. Okay, let's see. Now I'm gonna go to this thingy. I'm gonna look at the chart. Okay, I'm gonna click on 1 month. 1 month, 1 hour. Okay, that works. Okay, looks kind of sort of halfway okay. Let me see. I'm gonna ask the paper, should I buy GameStop? Should I flipping buy GameStop? Let's see what it says. It said yes. It said flipping yes. Nice, nice. That's awesome. Now I get to be part of the game. Hell yeah. Get to buy GameStop. Get to be part of the game. Hell yeah. Hell flippin' yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Bye. Let's see. Hey, it doesn't let me get more. What the hell? Awesome, awesome. Okay, now let me see. Maybe it'll let me buy the LMAO again. Let's see, LMAO. Let's see. Oops, I gotta get rid of the GameStop first and then do the LMAO. Yeah, the closest one, I think I tried it before. The closest one to LMAO is the Lamater, whatever that thing is. Yeah, I remember I looked at it the other day. I think it was yesterday or something like that. And I flipping bought the last laughing my ass off. Like I bought it like $2.87 of like I have that one. Flipping I bought $3 worth of that thingy. And it flipping went down. What the hell? But it doesn't matter. Yeah, it kind of is what it is. Maybe I'll add some more to the LMAO later. So right now, you don't even know what you have. No, I don't really know what I have. Like I got one too many things. One too many things, man, for sure. AEM, let's see. Oops. I literally got so much things that I don't remember everything that I got. Like I literally don't. AEM. Looks kind of decent. Let's see, does that have a dividend or something? Okay, so dividend, 1% dividend is not too bad. Okay, analyst rating, 85.7 say buy, 9.5 say hold, 4.8 say sell, so that's not too bad. Uh, do you have any tips for being a YouTuber? Me, not not really. I mean, I'm just for the most part live streaming. I don't do much YouTubing. I just started doing the live stream kind of recently. So like advice wise, you could watch like I have some good tips. There's lots of good videos that could teach you how to be good. What's that one channel? The one guy that does it like what's his name? Think Media stuff, something like that. I think that guy, like, that's one thing he does. He teaches how to do YouTube stuff. You could check that out. But me personally, like, I don't. I just live stream for the most part. I did a whole bunch of videos because this channel that I got, it's pretty old. Um, but yeah, I just pretty much live stream the trades and the market stuff that I'm doing for the most part. But apart from that, like it's hard to, because I'm doing the trading thing on here. I can't do teach too much about like something else. I mean, like I said, I told you a little bit. There's videos you could find that you could learn a lot about it. But apart from that, like it's hard to actually teach how to YouTube while actually trading and uh, whatever tip I could, I could give, I gave you. But let me see what's this company about? Okay. Agnico Eagles Mine Ltd. Engages in exploration and production of gold. It operates through the following segments: Northern Business, Southern Business, and Exploration. The Northern Business segment, companies of the Laronda Mine, Laronda Zone 5 Mine, LAPA Mine, Goldex Mine. Okay, so it's all about that type of stuff. For the most part, it looks pretty decent. It has a tiny little dividend. The company looks trustworthy. Oh, you're welcome there, Rayblade. Oh, I'm using Robinhood app. This is Robinhood right here. I buy crypto and keep getting screwed in SOL and ETH. Oh, I see, I see. With everything, you can make money with everything if you do it right. If you buy it at the right time, if you sell it at the right time, you gotta try your best to, you know, buy low. Obviously, try to get whether it's a company or a crypto or whatever it is. Try to buy, get the best deal as possible, and try to sell when it's high. You know, make sure you take your profits. You know, just the most basic logical theory of stock market and crypto. Just buy low, sell high. You know, like in some good companies, decent companies, you dollar cost average. You know, like if it dips, you buy some. Dip some more, you buy the dip a bit more. You know, just there's so much information, so much different strategies and ways you could make money. One of the safest ways is just to pretty much dollar cost average in a safe ETF or something like that, like and compound like long term, like keep on adding to it. Like that's one of the safest ways. But like you can make money faster by doing like shorter term trades. It's riskier, but you can make more money faster if you know what you're doing. Let's see. And like what I do, it's kind of risky because I toss the paper. Not everybody does that. I think I'm the only guy that does that. Paper trading with real money. I don't suggest anybody to do it. Okay, so let's see. AEM. Should I get some AEM? Let's see what it says. Should I get some AEM? Oh, for some reason it doesn't want me to get the AEM. I guess maybe for next time, but for now, I guess it's a no. Well, at least I added to the watch list, so that's good. That's flipping hella good. Hell yeah. I might get some of this one AEM. Yeah, this one looks pretty decent. I added to my watch list, but like I tossed the paper. For me, it said no. Maybe because I got one too many companies in my portfolio already. But it does look pretty promising. I like it, and it has a dividend. So definitely, like I personally would kind of get some of this one. But I'll probably, if I don't forget, I'll ask the paper later, and then it might say yes for me. Let's see. My problem is just hold on. When it goes down, I buy more, and when it comes up a bit, I still hold. Oh, I see. I see. I see there, Kyle Corner. Can I see your portfolio? Did you buy Bitcoin when I said it's up 8%? Let's see. Ask paper about IBM. Ask paper about IBM. Let's see. I could ask paper about the IBM, but I'm probably not gonna add that one to my. I think it's a pretty decent one, personally. 52 buy, 29% hold, 90% sale. Actually, I don't even have it on my watch list. Okay, I'll ask the paper. Whether it says yes or no, I'm not gonna buy, but I'll see what the paper thinks. So is IBM a buy? Let's see what it says. So the paper said yes. Right there. That's what the paper said. But like I already said before I threw the paper, regardless of what it says, I'm not gonna buy it. But the paper said yes. I guess you do my Bitcoin. The best way to invest. That's funny. Okay, so you want to see the portfolio? So my portfolio currently, like the unrealized stuff, it's down. See right here. It went up today a little bit, but like in general, like the portfolio is down. See, we'll click on everything like this. It's down. It's up today because the general market was down recently. But like the take home profits, it's kind of profitable still. The realized profit and loss. So for the 1 week, it's down because they had to get rid of some bad companies that I had, some bad deals they had. 1 month, it's up 1,632. That's realized where I sold at a profit. All of this trades here equals up to that month of trading. And that's while working. I do these trades in 3 months right there, 5,669. Year to date. Year to date, I started kind of really doing these type of trades I'm doing since April here. So since April till this point, it's like 7,322. That's realized profit and loss. That's what I sold and kept at a profit. The maximum, it's a little bit less because I had Robinhood for a longer time, but I didn't really do too much on it. So you see there's like a blank period where I didn't do anything. It's pretty much from April, end of May, beginning of April when I started to actually trade. So these are take-home profits. But yeah, for now the general portfolio it's kind of down because the market was down recently, but it did go up so a little bit today. I know for sure. I'm wondering for sure. I should get rid of a whole bunch of companies. I do have one too many. Like last time I counted, I think I had like way over 100 like different companies, different shares that I was in. But yeah, I think I should get rid of some. Like it's just too much to handle and to manage. It's like I'm making my own weird ETF type deal. Creating my own ETF. How you trade in Robin? Yeah, I'm trading on Robinhood. What the WTF is going on? Funny stuff. Okay, let's see what uh, Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's still doing okay. Let's see GELD maybe. What's my Bitcoin? My Bitcoin, I don't have much. I only have like $94 in it right now. Honestly, kind of cool at the same time having so many different ones. Yeah, it's not that easy. Oh, Forex or this is not Forex. This is just normal Bitcoin right here. Let's see, maybe I should ask the paper, should I buy one more dollar of Bitcoin? Let's see what it says. Should I buy one more dollar of Bitcoin? Let's see what it says. Yes or no? Oh, it said yes. I guess it likes the Bitcoin thing. It wants me to get $1 worth of it. I guess I should, right? Because it's Bitcoin and the paper wants me to get it. So I guess I'll do that. No. $1 because that's what it said. $1 a Bitcoin. Like it has to be. There's no other way. It has to be done. No, too much. Oh man. But it's crypto, you know. Let's see, buy. I know, right? I think that amount, like if I buy that much, I think that'll be pretty cool, right? Might be kind of sort of halfway worth it. Oh yeah, funny stuff, funny stuff. Let's see what Shiba is doing. Shiba is not doing too bad. I'll check on gold real quick. Let's see. GLD, see what the market's about to do. So gold's still moving up a tiny bit more today, so it's not too bad. Guess we'll see what happens. Company will show down. Buy now, pay later. Is the number real? Yeah, the number is real. Company will show down. Oh, what do you mean by company will show down? I gotta plug in my phone. It's almost dead. Make sure it charges at least a tiny bit. It's almost flipping fully dead. Yeah, it keeps on reminding me that the phone's almost dead. The phone that I'm using to live stream. Okay, now it's charging. If you buy that much Bitcoin, oh, a couple of weeks shut down. Good, I'm gone. If you'll buy that much Bitcoin, no, I'm playing. That's funny. Oh man, that's funny stuff. But yeah, I had to plug in my phone because the battery on it's dead. The one that I'm live streaming on, it's like almost fully dead. It's like 10% left on it. I had to plug it in. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna check back on the SoFi thingy here real quick. Oh, Novitas thingy. See, Novitas went up quite a bit. I think eventually it should keep on going up. So wow, 9.52%. That's nice. That's awesome. So right now it's let's see, 8:30. Let me see. My break even on this thing is $8. So right now, yeah, although here it says I'm down, but still it's not bad because my break even price is $8. So still like it's not too bad. And this thing expires in a long time. June 18, 2026. That's crazy. Yeah, it's not too bad. In which one you have more money investing? In the end of the quarter, most stocks will be up. Yeah, I think a lot of the stocks will be up in the this last quarter. How much in your bank and which one you have more money investing? I'm not sure what you mean by what do you call it? How much in your bank account? Like I don't know, but like the portfolio balance is right there. You know, that's the portfolio balance. And then like the take home profits right here, I could show you. Past month 1,632, and year to date 7,322. In a week, I made negative money. In a month, I made $1,632. 3 months made 5,669. Year to date, 7,322. That's realized profit and loss. That's what I sold and kept out of the stock market. And that's the max over there, 6,129. But I literally started kind of trading since April right here. So since April till now, it's 7,322. Oh, you don't see my face? What made money? Lance? What's Lance? What do you mean by Lance? Oh, you're Lance. Okay. MSTR. Yeah. Do I have a gold account? Yeah. See over there it says gold account. So yeah, I do have a gold account. I'm trying to get the Robinhood like credit card thingy, but I'm still on the wait list. This is a this is a Wendy's. Uh, I have the CC. It's amazing. Like, oh, you got the credit card? Nice, nice. Yeah, eventually, like I said, I'm on the watch list. I tried to get it. I got on the wait list like months ago. I can't remember how many months ago exactly, but months ago. But I'm still waiting to get it. What can you do with gold account? Well, with a gold account, I think you get to collect interest on the money that you don't invest. You get to do that. So yeah, on the gold account, see for example the buying power. I get to collect interest on the buying power, which right now I think is like 3 point something percent. I think it's something like that. I don't know if it says on here or not. Yeah, I don't know, but I think it's like 3 point something percent. Like you can collect interest on the cash that you don't invest on a Robinhood, and also the fees are way less on doing trades. Like, so it's actually pretty decent. I think you get other perks too. Yeah, I mean, if you use it for everything. Oh, that's cool. Uh, so if you use your Robinhood credit card, could you like the payments? Could you pay it off actually through this Robinhood app itself, or is there another way that you pay it? Like, how does it work? I've never staked my Bitcoin. Huh. Oh, separate app. Okay, I see. Regardless, that's pretty cool though. I see. So like crypto's dumping. Somebody said. Let's see. Well, some of it's starting to go kind of down, but not too much. But we'll see what happens. Starting to kind of trend down a little bit. Well, like over here, it's doing the higher highs, like going higher and higher. I don't know if it'll repeat that thingy or not. We'll see, but You know, we'll see what happens tomorrow. It's gonna be a new day, new wild, crazy day tomorrow. Hmm. Ethereum. It's kind of like doing almost the same thing as like Bitcoin. See, by just a tighter chart, but it's like doing the same type of deal. Bitcoin's for sure is pretty decent, but like I probably wouldn't. Me personally, I wouldn't add too much. If it dips like crazy, crazy, then I'll probably add some more, quite a bit more. But for now, like I'm just adding a tiny, tiny bit at a time. You know. Buy ETH sell on 29th November. Could be a decent play. Let's see. Check out ETH. Yeah, ETH and Bitcoin, like they're pretty much doing close to the same thing. Almost all the crypto. If you look at the charts, a lot of it looks pretty similar by how it moves. The penguin looks different though. Look, see everything's kind of has the same pattern. The penguin's doing the opposite. The flipping pudgy cyber penguin, right there. I just took profits on it today, but see it kind of moves different than the Bitcoin. 30% down is significant. But so for the 1 month, the penguin is down 47%. For the 3 months, penguin is down 83%. 1 year is down 69%. 5 years, it's not even, it wasn't even around 5 years. Looks like a new company or a new crypto. Started December something. Which coin had give you more money? I don't know. Like, I made quite a bit. I think one of the most I made, like XRP, I made a lot. I kept on buying and selling. I sold at a profit today. I bought $1 back, so the dollar turned to 98 cents. But like the XRP, I keep on collecting profits. The Shiba Inu, I keep on collecting profits. I think Bitcoin sometimes, once in a while, I'll sell it. I think I sold this one like a little bit ago. I started to reaccumulate that one. So yeah, the XRP I did okay. The Shiba, the Bitcoin once in a while. I think Ethereum too. But it was a while like since I made profit on Ethereum. Right now I'm just kind of dollar cost averaging into that one. Down she goes. Bye bye Ethereum. That's funny. That's flipping funny. Oh man, oh man. Getting sleepy and tired a little bit. Let's see. I guess it's probably time to log off. So, good night, everybody. Hopefully, I'll be back here tomorrow. Getting sleepy, and I gotta do my flipping construction work like crazy tomorrow. Have a good night.